over here. Homemade cream, French vanilla. Cheez-Its, no pretzel thins. Okay, so skinny pop. I don't know. Do I want any skinny pop? Okay, I'll just get some nuts and crab chips or kettle chips. Maybe some of these jalapeno kettle chips. We'll do that. And some peanuts.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
They won't let him out because he's gonna intimidate.
All right, so we made it to the town of our destination, but the place where we're going is still not yet open. It's only like 8:30 and it doesn't start till 9, so we're headed into Publix so that we can get something to drink, you know, use the bathroom and all those good things. It's a pretty good day out here today. Feel like fall is on the horizon. I could just be saying that because it's early morning. Y'all know what I said yesterday, and lo and behold, it got hot as fire. But at least we're going into Publix. Maybe I'll pick up me some watermelon or something. Ha! That's cute. These little things, these decorative yard ornaments or whatnot, whatever they call. All right, so let me try to find a restroom up in the joint. Well, how you know? You ain't been in here? Oh shit! There go the sign. And I'm asking her how she know where the bathroom at. Girl. All right, so I guess I'm walking in the right direction. Oh, Lord.
Again, it was only $12 because we're at the end of the year, so you're gonna pay the $12 plus. Okay. Guys, the goal is to get you into a home. We want to get you. So the last 2 years are we good? Yeah. We don't care anything, but beyond 2 years, we don't care. We don't know. We don't care. I ain't gonna see.
All right, so guys, I have made it back home after a long morning. I woke up at 5. Well, I actually left the house at 5 a.m. And let me take these glasses off because I'm inside now. But yeah, I woke up at 5 a.m. We didn't have to be to the actual seminar until 9 o'clock, but we had to go to on the other side of Orlando. So it usually takes about an hour to get to Orlando. So I think this place was maybe an hour, 45 minutes. So we did get there in time enough. As I showed you beforehand, we had a chance to go to Publix, get something to drink, use the restroom, all that before it was time to go inside. So yeah, I was the seminar was very informative. I don't think necessarily it's for me, but I did find out some good information for my daughter. But yeah, I think it's going to not work out well for me. But I did get some good information. So I was just going to show you guys before I take off my clothes. I have a couple of Amazon finds that I do want to do a video on so I can show you guys some of the things that I've been locating. But this little simple little outfit, let me just turn it around so you can see. Okay, so I have this graphic tee, which I cut on both sides and then just tied it right here. So it has like a V little shape to it in the front and in the back. I got this graphic tee from Five Below for $5. I think it was like maybe $5.99. Yeah, $5.99, $5 something, but it wasn't over $8, $10. I've got a couple of these too. I did pick up a couple graphic tees. I've been into that whole t-shirt, you know, cutting it and just wearing t-shirts lately. It's just more comfortable. I also picked up this leatherish, right? Skirt, midi length skirt. This was for $19.99. It's high-waisted as well. So let me pull up the shirt. Yeah, so it's a high-waist skirt. I did get this skirt in black. This black. I got it in navy blue. I got a burgundy wine type color. And then I got this skirt in white as well. So I love the skirt. I love the fit. I got it in the extra large, which there is still a whole lot of room in the skirt. But I just wasn't too sure how it was going to fit. I could have probably got it in a large, which is my normal size, but I like for it to have room in it, so that way whenever because it is kind of roomy in the waist and in the back as well, but I like how it fits, so I decided to get it in just a size larger. But and these skirts were only like $19, I want to say. That's why I got it in all the colors. I love skirts in general, but I like the fact that it's a midi length. It's still kind of form-fitting, so it, still gives you your shape as well as comfortable. So it's not too tight. The material, even though it's leather, you see I air quoted the leather, but it's still not a stiff type of skirt. So these are the, I have other colors and additional graphic tees that I'm going to be putting into the whole Amazon finds, Amazon and Five Below, because most of the t-shirts I did get from Five Below. There's a couple that I did get from Amazon that I'll show on that video. So I'll probably be releasing that maybe sometime today, because I'm back. I don't have much to do. I do need to give the dogs a bath. And what else do I have to do? The dogs a bath. Some work on the computer a little bit, so not too much. And then I have, like I said, a couple videos that I do want to shoot. I want to take these nails off and do my toes as well as my nails over again. So there's that. I'm just gonna play it by ear. Today is Saturday, and yeah, I feel like I've been up and running and all of that. I have my bathroom to clean up, all these clothes that need to be washed, just stuff out of place that I need to put back into place. Hey y'all. But yeah, so that's all we doing today is a lot of upkeep, maybe like some cleaning, and then I'll probably save my nails till tomorrow, since tomorrow's Sunday and I shouldn't have anything to do besides play with these dogs. So I'll probably go ahead and just cut them down so that I can soak them off. But I do have to give the dogs a bath, and they are very, very long. I broke this one. So besides, I mean, I didn't know if I was going to just soak this one off and replace it or just do all of them. But it's been a week, so I'm going to just go ahead and cut them all off and do another set. That's going to be, I know I said that previously, like that was my goal, is to just do a different set every week. But time hasn't permitted. So, Of course, why this girl got all my stuff in here? That's the other thing. I got me a lock on my door with a code. And darn if I didn't give them the code to it. So that was my bad. My bad on that. But yeah. Let me get to getting in this piece. And then I'll come back with the little Amazon finds that I have.